Today we are making the potato fry, tomato chutney, and we will also do the chicken fry, Timur chicken. And the ingredients that we are using is Timur, red chilli, turmeric, salt as per your taste, the garlic cloves, and slices of ginger. First, now we are going to do the roast of this red chilli and the Timur. This will help us to enhance the taste of the food that we are going to prepare. Adding the chili also a little bit. If you don't like very spicy, so use as per your taste. We're using this base masala for all three food that we are cooking today: tomato achar, tomato chutney, potato fry, and Timur chicken. This is the Timur that we are roasting. Once you get the aroma of this Timur, then we will take it out from the pan. It's ready. And now we are making the base masala for all three food that we are cooking. This is chili, salt, ginger garlic, and Timur. We are using the stone grinding. We're not using the electrical grinder here. You can also use a hand grinder or the mixing grinder to mix these spices. So it is almost ready, and once it is ready, we'll take it out and keep it in a separate bowl. So now we have the base spices. The masala is ready, and this can be used for your potato salad. You can cook fish, chicken, beef, or even for barbecue you can use this base. And now we are making the tomato chutney using the same base. Tomato chutney also using the same grinder. Base masala is same, and we are also adding the mint leaves to it. You can also use coriander leaf to mix with tomato chutney. And this can be used for your chips dips, or also to use with your barbecue dips. You can also have with your rice, your salads, noodles, even with the dumplings, that you can have this chutney. when you are having your pita bread or with the toast. We are preparing now potato fry using the same base masala. We are seasoning with a fenugreek seed, and once that is ready, add turmeric and now the potatoes. At this point, we are just frying the potato for a little bit. This boiled potato, you use the same base also for the salad. You can mash the potatoes and mix with that masala. You can have a little bit of sesame seed and then squeeze a little bit of lemon juice, and it's ready to eat. The potato fry is ready. You can garnish with a little bit of cilantro or mint leaf or sesame seed and enjoy the potato fry. Preparing chicken fries. First, we will fry a little bit of onion. Once it is golden brown, we will add a little bit of turmeric in it. We are today using the boneless chicken to make the Timur chicken. We will let it fry for some time before we add the Timur masala to it. Maybe we will fry for another 4 to 5 minutes, and then we will add the Timur masala. At this point, chicken is almost ready. We are adding a little bit of tomatoes and the base masala that we have prepared. Also, we will be adding shortly. We have added the Timur based masala that we have prepared earlier. mixing it well. In another 1 minute, it will be ready to serve. You can also garnish it with cilantro, coriander leaves, or mint leaves, and you can eat with your rice, chapati, bread, or with salad.